Hi there, I'm Virgil. I'm here today in Whitstable Harbour with an Icom M25 Evo, and I'm here today to tell you about Dualwatch and Tri-Watch and how you can use it. Dualwatch is basically listening to one channel that's a working channel, but maintaining a listening watch onto channel 16. Tri-Watch allows you to maintain a watch on two channels and channel 16. So it's the channel you're on, the channel you have set as a calling channel, and channel 16. So this M25 is set to do Tri-Watch. Tri-Watch will monitor the channel you're on, the calling channel, and channel 16. The calling channel on this radio is set to 37. You can change that to whatever channel you want. That's the default that you would get on a new radio. So channel 12, press and hold the dual button. Tri comes up on the screen here, and it's showing channel 16 in small characters here. So I'm now monitoring channel 12, channel 16 and channel 37, and whichever one has some radio traffic, the radio will then switch to that. When I transmit, the radio will come out of Tri-Watch, allowing me to continue a conversation on the channel selected. So when the radio is set to Dualwatch, it's a simpler scan that is only monitoring two channels, basically channel 12 in this case and channel 16.